Hello and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. My name is Lena and I'm very happy to have you here. Today we will do a daily dialogue in English. In today's episode, I'm Lena and I'm talking with my neighbor, Sarah. We are in a villa with a garden and a swimming pool. We will talk about garden work, pool maintenance, and inviting a neighbor. The English is simple and practical, so we will learn English in an easy and effective way. Now, relax. Take a deep breath. Let's start.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Lena. You're already outside.
Yes, I like the morning air. I'm watering the plants.
Your garden looks so green. What plants do you have?
I have roses, lavender, and a small lemon tree. I also grow mint and basil.
Wow, a lemon tree. That's nice. Do you get lemons?
Yes, but not a lot. In summer, I get more.
The lavender smells amazing.
Thank you. I love it too. It makes the garden feel calm.
Do you water every day?
In summer, yes. In cooler weather, I water every 2 or 3 days.
What time do you water?
Early morning. It's better for the plants. The sun is not too strong.
That makes sense. I water in the afternoon and my plants look tired.
Afternoon is hot. Morning is better.
Do you use fertilizer?
Yes, but only a little. I use natural fertilizer and sometimes compost.
Compost sounds good, but I don't know how to do it.
It's not hard. I can explain later if you want.
Yes, please. I want my plants to look healthier.
Sure. Also, I trim the plants sometimes. It helps them grow.
I need garden scissors. My flowers are messy.
Garden scissors are very useful. I can show you mine.
Thank you.
No problem.
Lena, your grass looks very neat. Do you cut it often?
In summer, I cut it once a week. In spring, maybe every 2 weeks.
Do you do it yourself?
Yes, I have a small lawnmower. It's easy to use.
That's good. My grass grows fast, too.
If you want, I can recommend a simple lawnmower.
That would be helpful.
Lena, your pool also looks very clean. Thank you. Pool maintenance is important. What do you do to keep it clean? First, I remove leaves with a net. Then I check the filter. Do you check the water too? Yes, I test the water with a small test kit.
What do you test?
I check the chlorine level and the pH level. That sounds a little difficult. At first, yes, but now it's easy. I do it step by step. How often do you test the water? Usually once or twice a week. In summer, more often.
What happens if the water is not balanced?
The water can look cloudy. It can also irritate your eyes and skin.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, clean water is important for safety and comfort. Do you have a pool robot? Yes, I do. It cleans the bottom of the pool. It saves time. That must be very helpful. It is, but I still check the corners because dirt can stay there. Do you cover the pool at night? Sometimes. If it's windy, I cover it to keep the water clean. I see. So you clean the pool, test the water, and check the filter. Exactly. It's a routine. If I skip it, the pool gets dirty quickly. Do you swim every day? Not every day, but in summer I swim often, maybe 4 or 5 times a week. Do you swim in the morning or evening? Usually late afternoon. The sun is softer then. That sounds nice. Yes, it's relaxing after a long day. Lena, your villa feels very peaceful. Thank you. I like quiet places. Do you sit outside at night? Yes, I sit in the garden and drink tea. Sometimes I read a book. That sounds very cozy. It is. I also have small garden lights. I noticed the lights. They look beautiful at night. Thank you. They make the garden feel warm and safe. Lena, can I ask you something? Sure. Would you like to have a small neighbor meeting one day? Yes, that's a great idea. Maybe tea and snacks in the garden? Perfect. We can sit by the pool. When is a good time for you? How about Saturday afternoon around 4 p.m.? Saturday at 4 works for me. Great. Let's keep it simple and relaxed. What should I bring? If you want, you can bring cookies or something small. Okay, I can bring cookies and maybe some juice. That would be great. I will prepare tea and a simple cake. Do you want me to come earlier to help you? That's kind. Maybe come at 3:30 so we can set the table together. Sure. What do you need? Just help with chairs and cups. We can also clean the pool area quickly. Okay, I can help with that. Thank you. That will make it easier. How many people will come? Not many, just a few neighbors. I want it to be quiet and friendly. That sounds perfect. Yes, I want a calm afternoon. I'm excited. It will be nice to talk more and know each other better. Me too. It's good to have friendly neighbors. Okay, Lena, I won't keep you longer. Enjoy your garden time. Thank you, Sarah. Have a nice day. See you on Saturday. See you on Saturday. Bye. Bye. That's the end of today's daily dialogue. Today, we practiced English with a real-life situation in a villa. We talked about garden work, pool maintenance, and inviting a neighbor. For more daily dialogues like this, don't forget to follow the English Listening Podcast. Keep listening, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.